Hey guys, good day to everyone. In today's video, I'll be telling you real quick on how to check how to solve CoinMarketCap. Now, the crypto bull run has started. You can see the market cap have grown to $3 trillion. 24 hours volume trades have gone to 100% increase. Fear and greed have gone to 84. Now these are some of the basics of using CoinMarketCap. You got to see some charts. Now this is type of coins, category of coins that are rising. Out of these coins, out of this percent, this is where to find the ones that are increasing, which is out of this 131% increase for the past 21 hours. These are coins that are tagged this way. Memes, coins that are tagged meme are falling. Solana ecosystem is falling at the time of recording this video. Now AI and big data are rising. Gaming coins are rising. Now take note of that. Gaming coins are rising. Real world assets, they are rising. And these are the coins. They are rising. And this is where this 24-hour volume of 131% increase, positive increase, come out from. Now this boils to the 32% of the total market cap. This simply means the total price. This simply means the total price of Bitcoin and other altcoins and meme coins combined together is what made up of this $3 trillion. That is most of the coins, Bitcoins and altcoins, they are moving up very fast, which this is not happening every day. It happens only on bull run season, on bull run. So guys, keep an eye to your investment. Watch out for your entries and watch out for your exits in your trades. So guys, this is just a quick solve on market cap. This is Bitcoin, the current price. This is the total market cap of Bitcoin, $1.7 trillion. This is the price for Bitcoin, $90,500. This is the percent for the past 1 hour. Bitcoin has fallen for 0.30 cents percent, which is 0.3%. Bitcoins have fallen that percent in the past 1 hour. And this is the rest. This is USDT has fallen, Solana has fallen, BNB has fallen, SRP has fallen, Doge has fallen. So just Bitcoin control major moves of the market. When Bitcoin rise, most of the coins ride along. While if Bitcoin is falling in a smaller sense, most of the coins fall in a larger quantity. That's why they are called altcoins and meme coins. You can see Litecoin fell -2%, while Bitcoin fall only -0%, not up to 1. So Bitcoin is the king of coins, the one that is leading the market. So wherever Bitcoin goes, most of the coins follow. So these are just some of the basics of CoinMarketCaps. And if you want me to do a quick deep tutorial on how to use CoinMarketCap to check coins and to see charts on coins, you can comment in this video. So guys, I just want to update you what is CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is a place whereby you check charts and statistics of coins, their data from total market cap, total supply, mass supply, circulating supply, 24 hours trades, chart, weekly, daily, so on and so forth. Name it, contract address, and whatever network chain. It's just a place to check statistics of coins. You understand? So that is coin market cap. When using it for the first time, it might be strange, but watching this video, it might give you a clue on how it works. It's just a place to check the crypto markets. So guys, that is where I'm ending today's video. So if you like this kind of content and you want to see things like this, you can join the channel, subscribe, share the video so that others could see this kind of videos as well. So guys, sorry for that. And if you're interested to know more on how to make money in the crypto space, I have a free group on WhatsApp whereby you can join for free, and also have a premium membership whereby people join and it comes with a cost, whereby after joining you can learn how to make money secretly the way you will not see publicly. So guys, that is just today's update. Bye for now. Peace.